On this video today, I'm going to show you a content locking strategy that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that you can use this method to make money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a CPAgrip account. If you want, you can use other CPA networks, but in this case I'm going to be using CPAgrip because CPAgrip is available worldwide. So you can create an account and then use this method to make money from home. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, you're going to select monetization tools. Once you click on it, you can see they have content lockers, URL/file lockers, video lockers, offer walls. These are some of the ways that you can use to make money on CPAgrip. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select URL/file lockers. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, create. Once you click on create, you are going to see a page like this. Scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you are going to select I agree to the terms of service. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to log content so that we can get people to complete offers before they get access to the content. So the first step is that you have to select a template. To select a template, you are going to click right here, templates. Once you click on templates, you can see a whole lot of different templates that you can select and then use them to lock your content. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to select the human verification. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the preview of it. The next step is that you are going to click right here, general. Once you click on general, you can see name. You are going to give a name to your file locker. So what you have to do is that you have to delete it and then give a name. You can give a name like TikTok video, something like this, TikTok video. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see locked URL. This is where you are going to paste a URL whereby people will have to complete offers before they get access to the URL. So we are going to be locking a video URL. So you have to find a useful content so that you can lock it for people to complete the offers before they get access to it. If you lock content that is not interesting to people, they are not going to click on your link and then complete the offers. So now what you have to do is that you have to go on TikTok so that you can find an interesting video that people will be eager to watch. Once you lock it, you get people who will be willing to complete the offers before they get access to the content. The next step is that you are going to come on TikTok so that you can find a viral video that people will be eager to watch. Once you're on TikTok, what you have to do is that you have to search for how to make money with AI. So just search for make money with AI. Once you search for it, you are going to click right here, videos. Once you select videos, you can see a whole lot of different videos that are talking about how to make money with AI. You can see a whole lot of them. This one has got 2 million views, and you can see most of them are getting thousands of views. You can see a whole lot of them. So what we are going to do is that we are going to scroll down and then find the viral video so that we can lock it. You can see this one has got nearly 1 million views. You can see this one has got 3.1 million views. You can see a whole lot of different videos that are trending. You can see this one has got 2.2 million views. So people are going to be eager to watch these kind of videos when we lock them. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select one of them. In this case, I'm going to select this video right here since it has got a lot of views. Once you have selected the video, the next step is that you are going to capture the thumbnail of the video. You have to use a snipping tool so that you can capture the thumbnail of the video. What you have to do is that you have to screenshot the thumbnail of the video. Just take a screenshot of the thumbnail of the video. Just capture everything. Once you capture it, you are going to save the thumbnail of the video onto your device. As you can see, this is the screenshot of the video. Click on save so that it can be saved onto your device. Once you are able to save the thumbnail of the video, the next step is that you are going to open it. So click on it so that you can open the main video. Once you open the video, you can see this is how it looks like. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy the URL of this video so that you can lock it and get people to complete offers on CPAgrip before they get access to this video. So you are going to come right here, click on copy link. Once you copy the link of the video, you are going to come back on CPAgrip and then paste it right here. Just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the link of the video, the next step is that you are going to select the number of offers that you want your potential visitors to see. I'm going to leave it with the 3 offers. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down and then click right here, save. Once you click on save, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is your locked URL. So now what you have to do is that you have to get your link. To get your link, click right here, get links. Once you click on get links, you're going to see a page like this. This is your link. So if you get people to click on it, they are going to see offers and they have to complete one of those offers before they can get access to the main content of the video. So what you have to do is that you have to test it. So you can click right here, copy link. Once you copy it, you can test the link on a new tab. So let me paste it right here. Once you paste it, let me click on it for you to see. This is what people are going to see when they click on your link. So now when they click right here, choose a survey. Once they click on it, you can see they are going to see 3 offers. Any of these offers that they select and then enter their details, you are going to be paid and they are going to get access to the video that you have logged. So that is how you make money. But the amount that you are going to earn depend on the country of the visitor. People in the United Kingdom, when they click on your link and then complete any of the offers, you are going to be earning higher amount. But people in developing countries, when they click on your link, you are not going to be earning a lot of money. So the amount that you are going to earn depends on where people click on your link. Now the next step is that you have to build a landing page so that you can promote this link for people to click on it and then complete the offers for you to make money. We are going to be using Google site to build the landing page. So what you have to do is that you have to go on Google and then search for Google site. Once you search for it, you are going to select the first link right here, Google site. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to select right here blank. Once you select blank, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to delete this header. So click on this icon so that the header can be deleted. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to give a name to your landing page. So you can type something like AI money, something like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to give a title to your landing page. So you have to click right here, text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to write a title here that can get people attention to click on your link and then complete the offers for you to make money. You can type a text like this: unlocking daily profits, how to earn $900 a day with the power of AI. Just a simple text like this. Once that is done, you can change the color of the text. So let me just highlight this. Once you highlight it, you are going to change it to any color that you want. In this case, I'm going to select red. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can change the color of the heading. So let me just highlight it. Once you highlight it, click right here and then select any color that you want. You can see a whole lot of different colors. Let me select this one right here. Once that is done, you are going to center the text. So just highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on align. Once that is done, we are going to select the second one. As you can see, that has been done. Once you click on align, just select this. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your text like this, the next step is that you are going to upload the image that you downloaded. So to upload an image, you are going to click right here, images. Once you click on images, select upload. Once you select upload, select your screenshot and then click on open. As you can see, this is the image. So you are going to drag it and then center it. Just center it the way you want. You can see that has been done. Once you have your thumbnail, the next step is that you are going to type a call to action right here. So click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to type something like click here to watch the video, something like this. Click here to watch the video. Once that is done, you have to highlight it. Once you highlight it, increase the font size. So let's select 30. Once that is done, you are going to center it. So just highlight it, click on align, select the third one. As you can see, that has been done. You can change the color of the text. So let's click on it and then select green or any color that you want. I think any color that stands out, so you can select blue. I think that is okay. Once you select the color of the text, the next step is that you are going to insert your locked URL right here so that when people click on it, they can complete the offers before they get access to the content of the video. So you have to come back on CPAgrip and then copy your locked URL. You have to copy this link right here. To copy it, you are going to click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back, highlight this text. Once you highlight it, click on this icon. Once you click on it, paste your link right here and then click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. So anytime people click on this link, they have to complete offers before they watch the video. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to insert our link in the thumbnail so that when people click on it, they can be directed to our locked URL and they have to complete offers before they get access to the main video. So just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to click on this insert link. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your locked link right here and then click on apply. So when people click on the image or the call to action, they have to complete offers before they get access to the main content. Once you have designed your landing page, the next step is that you have to publish it. To publish it, you are going to click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you have to give a web address. So enter any web address that you want. You can see AI money, something like this. It is available. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, publish. It has been published. Click right here, view, so that you can see your landing page. As you can see, this is your landing page. You can see everything, but what you have to do is that you have to center this text. The text is not good, so you have to center it. So just click on it, come back, and then make sure you center this text. So highlight the whole of this text. Once you highlight it, click on align and then select the middle one. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to publish your landing page again. So click on publish. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on publish so that it can be published. It has now been published. Click right here, view, so that you can see how it looks like. You can see everything. The text is now well arranged. Now once you have your landing page, the next step is that you have to drive traffic to this landing page so that you can get people to click on it and then complete the offers for you to make money on CPAgrip before they get access to the TikTok video. To drive traffic to our landing page, we are going to be using this website, trafficadbar.com. On this website, you can post ads for free without paying for anything. This website is a traffic exchange website where you can get people from anywhere in the world to click on your link. So you have to create an account so that you can publish your link on this website. Once you publish your link, you are going to be getting people from different countries who click on your link and then complete the offers for you to make money. You have to sign up so that you can use the website. To sign up, you're going to click right here, sign up. But in this case, I have my account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to use the website. Once you create your account and log in, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to advertise your link so that you can get people to click on it and then complete the offers for you to make money. To advertise your link, you're going to click right here, advertising. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see right here, add a website or affiliate link. So you have to copy and paste the link to your landing page right here. You can come back on Google site and then click on this icon. Once you click on it, this is the link to your landing page. So click right here, copy, so that you can copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, you are going to click on add a website. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to give a title. You can see AI money, that is okay. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then add another ad headline. You can come back and then copy some of the text as your ad headline. So just highlight and then copy this. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. So this is how your ad is going to appear. You can see everything. This is how your ad is going to appear. Once you scroll down, you can see add line 2. If you want, you can add another title, but in this case, you are not going to do that. Once that is done, you can see what is the language of your ad and web page. So you have to select the language of your landing page. In this case, it is English, so you are going to click on it and then search for English. So you can see it, English, select it. Once you select it, you are going to scroll down. Just scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down to the button, you can see the countries. If you want to target specific countries, you can do that. So just click on it and then select any specific country that you want. But in this case, we are targeting all countries, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, when do you want your ad to be seen? So you are going to enter the start date and the ending date. You can enter the start date and the end date. So just click on it and then select the start date and the ending date. In this case, I'm going to select today's date. So click on it. Once that is done, you can click right here and then select the ending. So let's select December 8th, something like this. Once that is done, you are going to click on add. As you can see, that has been added. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see add this and time. the time of the day that you want your ad to run, you can select that. So you can just click right here and then select the days of the week that you want your ad to run. So you can select that. In this case, I'm not going to select anything. You can also select the hours that you want your ad to run. You can see a whole lot of them. But in this case, I'm not going to do that. So now once you have entered the details of your ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, save, so that your ad can be published. As you can see, it has been published. You can see this is your ad. So it is going to be shown to people. Once people see it, most of them are going to click on it and then complete the offers for you to make money. If you want many people to see your ad, what you have to do is that you have to earn credit. So based on the number of credit that you have, you can get many people to click on your ad and then complete the offers. To earn credit, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, click here to earn points. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see I have 1062 points. So many people are going to see my ad. If you want points, what you have to do is that you have to click on any of these ads and then wait for 10 seconds. Once you wait for 10 seconds, you are going to earn points, and based on the number of points, you are also going to be getting many people who view your landing page and then take the action for you to make money. For example, let me click on this ad for you to see. So just click on the ad like this. Once you click on it, you can see the ad has opened and you have to wait for some seconds. As you can see, it is counting. Once it has finished counting, you can see I've earned some points. So based on the number of points that I will get, many people are also going to be watching my landing page and then taking the action for me to make money. So make sure you go and take action using this method so that you can be making money with CPA marketing without investing any money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.